Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all. So in this video, I will show you how to calculate the vector product between two vectors. Okay, so let's say we have two vectors. Vector A is equals to A1 I plus B1 J plus C1 K, and vector B equals to A2 I plus B2 J plus C2 K. So the cross product or the vector product between vector A and vector B, we can write it like this. A cross B is equals to, in the form of matrix, we have for the first column we have I, second column is for J, and the third column is for K. And then next, for the next row, we can write the value of vector A. Okay, A1 for column I, B1 for column J, and C1 for column K. And for the last row, we substitute the value for vector B. Okay, so A2 for column I, B2 for column J, and C2 for column K. Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, given that vector A is equals to 7i minus j plus 2k, vector B equals to 3i plus 3j minus k, and vector C equals to I minus 2j minus 3k. So the question wants us to find A cross B and B cross C. Okay, sorry. Alright, so here, for the first question, we must find the value, or we must find A cross B. So we write A cross B in the form of matrix. So for the first column, we have I, second column J, and third column is K. Okay, so first, we substitute the value of vector A. So we have 7 for I, and then negative 1 for column J, and then 2 for column K. Next, we substitute the value of vector B. So we have 3 for I, and then 3 for J, and we have negative 1 for K. Right. Okay, next. Okay, we must find the values for I, J, and K. So first, to find the value of I, we must cross column I. And then for these two columns, column J and K, we cross multiply. Okay, like this. So we have negative 1 times negative 1. And then minus with 2 times 3. So this is for I. Okay, and then to calculate J, oops. Okay, so to calculate the value of J, we must minus. Okay, the sign here is positive, negative, positive. So for I, we must add positive sign in front, or we don't have to write it also can, because it is positive. And then for J, we must minus or negative here. And then after this, for value of K, we must add. Okay, so minus with, alright, for J, we cross column J. So we have to cross multiply column I and column K. So we have 7 times negative 1. And then minus with 2 times 3. So this is for J. And then for K plus, okay, plus, and then we cross the column K. So we have 7 times 3 minus negative 1 times 3. So this is for K. Right? So next step, we simplify the values in the bracket. So negative 1 times negative 1 minus 2 times 3 is equals to negative 5. And this is for I. Minus, okay, minus 7 times negative 1 minus 2 times 3 is equals to negative 13 J, and then plus 7 times 3 minus negative 1 times 3 is equals to 24K. And then for the last step, we simplify the answer. So we have negative, oh sorry, this one we have I here. Alright. Okay, so we have negative 5I, and then negative we have positive 13J, and then plus with 24K. So this is the answer for A cross B. Okay, next we continue with the second question. We must find B cross C. So B cross C, okay, same as the first question, we must write in the form of matrix. So we have I, J, K, and then we substitute first the values of vector B. So we have 3I plus 3J minus 1K. So 3I plus 3J minus 1K. And then for vector C, we have I minus 2J minus 3K. So I is 1 minus 2J minus 3K. Okay. And then next, okay, so for column I, we have 3 times negative 3. Okay, 3 times negative 3 minus with negative 1 times negative 2. So this one is for I. And then remember plus minus plus. So minus with, okay, for column J, so we have 3 times with negative 3. 3 times negative 3 minus negative 1 times 1 J, and plus, okay, plus with K. So K, we have 3 times negative 2 minus 3 times 1. Okay, next we can simplify the values in the bracket. So we have 3 times negative 3 minus negative 1 times negative 2 is equals to negative 11I, and then minus with 3 times negative 3 minus negative 1 times 1 is negative 8J, and then plus 3 times negative 2 minus 3 times 1 is negative 9. 9k. So last answer, we simplify, we will get negative 11i plus 8j minus 9k. Okay, so this is the answer for B cross C. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you.